Hello, how are you doing? So be honest, are you already feeling that pre-Christmas chaos creeping in? You know, where your inbox is overflowing, your calendar is full of meetings and Christmas events, and you're just trying to stay afloat before everything winds down. Well, today I'm sharing a few simple ways you can use Google Workspace to stay organized, protect your time, and actually enjoy the holidays without feeling like your brain is ready to explode. So let's start with Gmail, because if your inbox looks anything like mine right now, it is chaos. So here's a quick fix for you. Create a filter for newsletters and promo emails that flood in this time of year. Simply go to the search bar, click the filter icon, pop in unsubscribe or sale, and set them to skip the inbox and go straight to a later label. And there you have it, instant breathing space. And if you know you're going to be stepping away for a bit, then set up an auto reply that sounds human. Something like, "Hi there, thanks for your message. I'm taking a short festive break and will reply after whatever date it is. Hope you're having a lovely Christmas." It's short, it's friendly, and you should feel no guilt for setting it. So next up is your calendar. And my top rule, protect your time like it's your last mince pie. Open up the calendar and block time for you, even if it's just an afternoon off. Colour it gold or red so it stands out, and set your working hours so meetings can't sneak in. Now onto my little lifesaver, and that is Google Keep. Use it for everything cluttering your brain. Gifts, foods, shop, errands, even reminders like to defrost the freezer. Create one note called Holiday To-Do List and tick things off as you go. You can even share a Keep note if you're coordinating with other family members or your VA. There's no endless back and forth emails. And here's a sneaky little tip for you. Open Google Tasks and make a new list called January Follow-ups. So whenever you get an idea or an email comes in that you can't deal with right now, add it to your tasks straight into that new list instead of letting it clutter up your inbox. That way you can actually switch off properly, and future you will thank you for it. So there you have it, a few simple ways Google Workspace can help you survive the holidays with a bit more calm and a lot less chaos. Remember, you can't mark all of life's notifications as read, but you can make your inbox, your calendar, and your to-do list behave themselves for just a little while. If you found this helpful, share it with anyone who could benefit from switching off completely this Christmas. As always, thanks for watching, and have a lovely, relaxing Christmas break. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.